What is the one thing everyone should be doing in business? No one is doing it. It's very simple to solve and will take 30 seconds to present. Another episode. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello, how are you? Great to see you again. My name is Neil Zaval. Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to talk to you about something that I think is the biggest miss we all have when we need to present ourselves and our companies. You see, I meet a lot of people when it comes to the tech industry, and I work with a lot of startups and companies, a lot of founders. The problem is the same all over. We'll finish a meeting, someone will say, hey, loved it, would you mind sending a blurb about you or a blurb about your company? Now, let's talk about the word blurb for a second. A blurb is a short promotional piece accompanying a piece of creative work. Simple. You're the creative work. You need to be able to describe who you are, what you do, what is your business, what is your craft, or your creative work. Everything needs to be done in under a minute. It is said that in 1855, on a book by Walt Whitman, that's where the word or the concept blurb started. But that's not where the word was coined. That happened in 1906, when American humorist Geld Burgess, I hope I'm saying that correctly, is where we coined the phrase a blurb. Great. Now that we understand what the word blurb even means and what you need to do, I want to take you into a small piece of my book, Fuck the Slides, where I discuss why we need to have a blurb and how can we actually create it. Why is this important? A blurb is the best way you can sit down and write about 70 words, 30 seconds. It means you need to be able to present yourself in about 30 seconds. This will serve you, as I always say in my workshops, in a podcast where you need to present yourself. How is that going to happen? You need to be able to present yourself in a social event. Great. Here's your 30 seconds. More than that, 70 words will allow you to present yourself via email. A small blurb. You understand the concept now? It's easy. Another thing you can do is take 70 words to explain your business or your profession if you have a job and you're not just a founder / entrepreneur, but that's for another video. 70 words to explain what your company actually does. Remember, the most important, the crucial factor, if this is a good blurb or not, is if people are interested. A great way to measure that is if at the end they say, oh, that's nice, not interested. You can try and edit different versions. You can try and find different words. If you don't need this whole big explainer of 2 or 3 minutes about who you are, if you only have 30 seconds, make it count. This is what people will remember. Quick tip, when you finish your blurb, people are interested, don't go on another 5-minute rant. Answer briefly and ask about them. Social skills, people. Social skills. So a blurb is a short explainer to promote something, creative work, your business, and so on. It's very simple, short, to the point. It's not a one-pager. It's not a deck of slides. It's not a 15-minute video. You can have it in 1 or 2 paragraphs. Once your blurb is ready, here's an idea. Ask 2 or 3 friends if they'll be willing to hear it. Send it to 2 or 3 friends via email, and next time you meet 2 or 3 strangers at a pub, introduce yourselves using that blurb. Remember, you need to learn it by heart. This is how we improve. This is how we make our craft better. As always, if you need anything, I'm always here. DM me, leave a comment, do whatever you want. I'll be happy to hear you. A quick shout out to all the people who are replying to my newsletter. We're almost at 500. Thank you to everyone that's been replying and commenting on DMs and stuff. Thank you for the friends who are reaching out and asking more questions. And thank you to the last 8 podcast interviews I've done in the last weeks. You guys have been amazing, and it's opened my mind to a lot of things. I'm Neil Zaval. I'll see you next time. Go write your blurb. Do me a favor. Be epic. If you need anything, I'm always here. Did you subscribe today? Because if not, did you send this to a friend? You can send this to her. See you next time.